Why did the robber jump in the shower? He wanted to make a clean getaway.
Yo, welcome back to another quick fix episode. Today we're going to be going over our enemy objects or any other objects while they're moving to not collide with each other like this you see here. So let's hop right into it. We're going to start by opening up our enemy prefab, our pumpkinhead prefab, and going over to the layer section. Then we're going to add a layer, and you see this user layer 6. We're going to name that enemy, and then change the layer to enemy on the prefab, and then change all the children so all the other instances of that enemy will also have the enemy layer. And then we just want to open up our enemy script, check out the update method. We just want to add simply one line of code, and it's just a physics 2D dot ignore layer collision. And then you'll take whatever layers you want, the first one to not collide with the second one. So we use 6 and 6 here, so they won't collide with each other. And you can pretty much do that with any layers. You just have to, make them. And so you'll see when we play again, they pass right by each other nice and smoothly. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped some of y'all out. It was definitely really useful for me. But until next time, y'all, peace.
Why can't you trust the king of the jungle? Because he's always lying.